So Judge Raymond Dearie, the special master that Donald Trump chose to review the classified documents he stole from the government, Judge Dearie put Donald Trump and his criminal defense attorneys in their place in court today. Let's talk about that, because justice matters. Hey all, Glenn Kirshner here. So Donald Trump and his criminal defense attorneys got a bit of a smackdown in court today. They got put in their place by Judge Raymond Dearie, the very special master that Donald Trump requested. Let's recap. Remember, not long ago, Donald Trump told Judge Aileen Cannon, one of his appointees, a judge who was confirmed to the federal bench after Donald Trump lost the presidential election. Trump told Judge Cannon, I want a special master appointed to review all of the classified documents I stole from the government and I unlawfully concealed down at Mar-a-Lago. And even though there was no law supporting the appointment of a special master for that purpose, Judge Cannon said, you got it, Mr. Trump. And then Donald Trump said, and I want the special master to be Judge Raymond Dearie. And Judge Cannon said, you got it, Mr. Trump. And then Judge Dearie, who has been around a while, he was appointed to the federal bench by President Ronald Reagan. Judge Dearie said, okay, in order for me to do an informed, intelligent review of these materials that were seized from you, from Mar-a-Lago, by the FBI, you need to tell me what documents, if any, Donald Trump declassified. And that request seemed to sort of catch Donald Trump's criminal defense attorneys by surprise. And yesterday, they wrote Judge Dearie a letter. And in that letter, they said, among other things, Judge, you asked that we disclose specific information regarding declassification to the court and to the government, the prosecutors. But here's the thing. If you make us do that, disclose what documents Trump might have declassified, we would have to disclose a defense to the merits of any subsequent indictment. So, we're not going to do it. Okay, first of all, it's music to my justice-loving ears that even Donald Trump's criminal defense lawyers are talking about the indictment, right? Talking about how they need to preserve all of the defenses they might have when Donald Trump is indicted. And I wholeheartedly agree with them. I think we're all on the same page here that Donald Trump must be indicted for his crimes. But here is kind of the delicious part. Donald Trump said, I want a special master. I want it to be Judge Dearie. And Judge Dearie then said, okay, I will do what you want me to do. Review all these classified materials to see if there's any privilege in there. There won't be. But I will do the job that you wanted me to do. But in order to do that, you need to tell me first what you declassified, if anything, and what you didn't declassify, so I can make intelligent, informed decisions during my review. And Team Trump said, no, we're not going to tell you. So, against that backdrop, that letter that the defense team sent yesterday to Judge Dearie saying, we're not telling you what you need to know to conduct the review of these materials. Here's what happened in today's first court hearing in Judge Dearie's court. This from the Washington Post. Dearie prods Trump lawyers for answers on classified documents. And that article begins, a special master pressed Donald Trump's attorneys to move quickly and provide more answers about whether the former president did or didn't declassify documents marked top secret that were found in his Florida home last month, saying you can't have your cake and eat it too if they want to argue the documents might not still be secret. Quote, we have little time to complete the tasks assigned to the court, Dearie told the lawyers, prodding them to quickly resolve legal questions about the high-profile national security investigation into a former president who frequently indicates he may again seek the White House. Quote, we are going to proceed with what I call responsible dispatch. Dearie issued no rulings at Tuesday's hearing, his first as special master, but he made clear that if Trump's side remained silent on the question of whether or not their client had at some point in his presidency declassified the documents, Dearie was likely to agree with prosecutors that the documents at the heart of the case are still classified. Trump's legal team has argued that making them answer that question now could put them at a disadvantage in the face of a possible future criminal prosecution or a future legal fight over getting seized documents returned to him. When Trump defense attorney James Trusty told Dearie that he should not be forced to disclose declarations and witness statements yet, Dearie replied, yeah, my view is you can't have your cake and eat it too, signaling that he may not have much patience for that argument as the special master review proceeds. So it sure looks like Judge Dearie is unwilling to play Donald Trump and his defense lawyers' stupid little parlor games. Did he or didn't he declassify documents? But keep in mind, friends, the question of whether he did or didn't declassify any of these documents may be relevant to Judge Dearie's privilege review, but it is not a defense to the crimes Trump committed. So the only question now is how long before Donald Trump begins to post on his third-rate social media platform that Judge Dearie is an angry Democrat, part of the deep state conspiracy, notwithstanding the fact that Donald Trump picked Judge Dearie. But you know it's coming because Donald Trump is a one-trick pony. But I'll tell you, regarding Judge Dearie, thus far, I like what I'm seeing because it seems like to Judge Dearie, justice matters. And friends, as always, thank you for tuning in to these Daily Justice Matters videos. As you may know, we are an all-volunteer outfit here at Justice Matters, posting a legal analysis video every day, 7 days a week, and we couldn't do it without your support. So if you're interested in supporting our all-volunteer efforts, our mission, our content, feel free to come on over to patreon.com. You can sign up to become a patron, and if you do, I will send you some Team Justice and Justice Matters stickers and a personal handwritten note of thanks, and you'll also get a look behind the scenes, how we go about putting these Daily Justice Matters videos together. And as always, friends, please stay safe, please stay tuned, and I look forward to talking with you all again tomorrow.